Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me, Caitlin. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you do the little thumbs up, not thumbs down, because I want to be showing you my 2013 leftover fireworks stash from the 4th of July. I will go from bigger to smaller because I really don't want to take the small box before the big. Well, actually, I separated them a little bit. Decided to bring some to someplace, and I didn't want to bring them all. Okay. This better quality because it's on my iPad. First, I have the Happiness Fountain, 3-inch Happiness. I have a couple of those, so I most likely won't be showing the repeats. I have the Purple Storm Fountain, a Mighty Max Cuckoo, a Phoenix Takao fountain. It's like a Chinese or a Japanese fountain. Junior Cuckoo. I'm like, this is different because see this Junior Cuckoo? Look at that. And take for example the big cuckoo. It doesn't. I don't think it has the whistlers in it. Like they're just small. Happiness fountain. Well, it's a different brand. A mini Showtime Cuckoo. I'll be telling you the prices, but some of them I can't, like this mini cuckoo. That's why you haven't heard any yet, because they were in assortments or it was from a little bit ago and I forgot. A cuckoo, these were six for $5. Neon colored pearl. I had another one, but I lit them off. It was like $2 for two. I won't be showing all of these because it's just a mini pearl Roman candle. I have like 7 left maybe. From a 12 pack, it's blue 10 ball. They were like $2 for 12. Rain Dance came in the assortment. Celebration Fountain, it was 99 cents. This came in an assortment, so I don't know. It's a ladybug fountain. It's actually pretty big. I did the jade flower, so please watch that. I also uploaded a small bee and some other fireworks. Can you please watch it? And I also have my 2013 fireworks stash. And so here we go, butterfly and flower. If you want, please watch my other videos. This is an older one, 5-ball color candle, 5 balls. I only have one. As report, crackling candle. Try to back it up to see how big it is. 10 ball. 10 ball color pearl, same size candle. Color pearl with report candle, 10 ball. Tyrannosaurus Rex TNT. I have one. The alligator whistling, it's basically a cuckoo, what I've heard. I have a couple cones. The rainbow trout. Hula hoops from Power Direct, those are 99 cents. The happy cake, it was $1.50. It's 16 shot. And I have some friendship fountains. I have a whole pack in there. I won't be showing it. It's in the other thing. I might have showed this, but it's snowflake, or I might have not. Sorry. I have a killer bee. It's a fountain, and these things shoot off and whistle. See another cone. It's Mighty Max this time. I have some packs of Sprite Bombs. And I have like maybe 100 Morning Glories left, but I'm only going to be showing you 2. I have the Moonshine. It's a spinner, but then these things are fountains and they shoot out. It's pretty nice. It was like $3. Peach Flower came in an assortment. The blue, it was $2.50, 7 shot. It's beautiful. It's actually pretty nice. Garden in Spring, it was like $2.50. It's 7 shot. I forgot to show you the cricket fountain. I'll show that fast. That was fast. Mighty Max brand. I have 1-inch Magnum Artillery, $2.50. No, $3. They're small, but my neighborhood's kind of like lousy. People complain a lot. And I have some big, long sparklers. I'm not going to show you those. I have some neons. And I also have the International Satellite Spinner. This was only $5. You hook it up to a tree. I'll show you. So you could stop it if you want to read it. I don't care. That's it for that box. I'll be on the next box. I'll just be placing this iPad down, so sorry. Okay, here's the next box. It's more smaller. Like I said, Morning Glories. I have 2 of these hailstorms. They're pretty boss. I have a Kamash. It's pretty boss too. Chick Stick. Couple packs of smoke crackers. A teapot. A lot of ground balloons. I have another big thing, but I'm not going to show it. Crackling balls and like loaded dice. These little pills. Jumping jacks. Climbing panda. Friendship pagoda. You can read it if you could see it. Some tanks. Smoke squad. Some mini pyramids. They're like fountains. Some sunflowers. These 3 big smokes. Motorcycles. And I have a Bin Laden. I like to do a shout out to Display Fireworks 1 for telling me like you should save this because people say it's gonna be like money in the future. So yeah, this is part 1. I'll show you part 2, which is small stuff. So please rate, comment, and subscribe to channel Caitlin and look at all my other videos. And also shout out to Display Fireworks 1. Thank you.